Simplifying fractions, an easy guide to convert decimals. Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a very important topic in English language learning related to numbers and counting: converting decimals to fractions. More specifically, we'll focus on the process of simplifying fractions. Are you ready? Let's get started. A decimal is a number expressed in the base 10 system. Fractions, on the other hand, represent a part of a whole. The connection between these two is that a fraction can be represented as a decimal, and vice versa. Our aim is to convert decimals into fractions and then simplify them. The first step in converting a decimal to a fraction is to identify the place value of the decimal. This will help us to establish the denominator. If the decimal is 0.5, for example, its place value is in the tenths. Hence the denominator is 10. The decimal number will become the numerator. For example, 0.5 as a fraction becomes 5/10. Now, the next step is simplifying fractions. This process involves reducing the fraction to its simplest form. For this, we find the greatest common divisor, GCD, of both the numerator and denominator. This is the largest number that divides both numbers without leaving a remainder. For instance, with our fraction 5/10, the GCD of 5 and 10 is 5. When we divide both the numerator and denominator by this GCD, we get 1/2. So, 5/10 simplifies to 1/2. This is the simplest form of the fraction. Let's take another example. Consider the decimal 0.75. Converting to a fraction, we get 75/100ths. The GCD of 75 and 100 is 25. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 25, we get 3/4. Practice this method with various examples until you're comfortable with it. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll understand and remember. That's it for today's session on simplifying fractions. Converting decimals to fractions and simplifying them can be easy with a bit of practice. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this video was helpful in your English language learning journey. See you in the next video.